Jeff here with RV Optimizer. I'm in hot Las Vegas today. I'm at Van City. We're going to go get our friend Nancy to walk us around this new leisure van. This one is the Unity FX with the rear lounge, and I'm really interested in seeing this, learn a little bit more about it. So let's get Nancy and let's check this thing out. We're inside the Unity
FX.
Beautiful. And yeah, Nancy, tell us, because this is got a lot of configurations that happen.
So FX stands for flexible space.
Okay.
That's what the FX is for. And up here in the main part of the house, we have a couch and we have a Murphy bed. And do you want me to, I can show you what the dinette looks like quickly.
Yeah, let's do that.
Sure. So it's breakfast time or it's dinner time. Get it down. There you go, stop.
Got it. Oh. And there's our dinette.
Voila! The nice thing about this is if you had visitors that wanted to come and play cards, you would be able to set them up right here and they would be able to join in and sitting it. And it's on both sides.
I like it. I like it.
This is also the support we're going to use when we do pull the bed down.
And so then what does the table do when you go to do that? You have to fold it? Oh, okay, got it.
We put it back.
And then this goes in here?
That goes there. And I'm not going to pull this side down just
Sure.
for sake of demonstration. We're going to set these here. I generally would put my pillows behind the front and driver's seat when they were swiveled around. Thank you. Go ahead and pull her down. This bed is counterweighted. You'll notice how light it is. See,
Yeah,
it's
sure. Yeah.
so this is your shelf for your extra pillows and your extra blankets.
And I love those because you're always wanting
Sleeping
to
spot.
put a bunch of pillows in there so you can do
Absolutely.
that. You don't really need it with those.
And the nice thing is you can put these down. I noticed you were struggling with it because you brought it up. There you go. Put it down. You have a nice availability to get your legs out of bed, especially if you're having some mobility issues.
And I guess you can even use your
You probably
backrest
could,
for
sure.
back up there as well.
Absolutely.
A little back more support.
But they usually fit like a little sandwich right behind the passenger seat.
Got
They
it.
fit lovely back there.
Yeah, love
So you
that.
have your reading lights. You have your ability to sit up in bed because these are, they've got about a 4% slope.
Very nice. So that's actually pretty easy to operate, the three or so different ways, I guess, to use that, which I think it's a pretty smart way to use the space.
Absolutely. And then there's more.
There's more.
The new compressor refrigerator is something that Leisure Travel Van's really excited about. Again, a little more space in both the refrigerator and the freezer areas
So the
because
cool
there's
thing,
no fins.
no vents on the outside.
Correct.
You're not using propane, so
Nope.
you don't have to worry about it being level.
Right.
And it actually cools down really quick.
And it's about, on a full battery, this refrigerator will run for 55 hours with no other load on it.
So the thing
if-
I've seen, and I'm wondering if you've seen this as well, with the solar on top, this is never draining as
Correct.
long as you've got some
Yeah.
sun.
400 watts of solar.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yep, convection microwave. And then, I know everybody wants to see this. The pantry has changed. You've added about 1.5 inches of width and a lot more storage space. Leisure Travel Vans, your workspace is located above your entry door with the Firefly also at a nice eye level position.
And the other thing we kind of didn't go through is the whole TV on this
Right.
side that you can pull out and point any direction you
You
want.
can. You got
Nice. And if I'm not
soundbar is
mistaken,
Bluetoothable.
a little closet.
Closet? Yes.
Yeah. Very, very smart.
And a spot for your keys in your purse and a spot for your shoes.
Really like how they use the space. In
Push,
these.
push, push. Here you go.
There you go. And
And
this
there's
one has
that.
a little safe in it.
And this does have the optional safe. The safe is bolted to the frame of the Sprinter chassis.
So when you open up the little safe, just if you wanted to know, there's plenty of room here to put your handgun or whatever valuable you may want.
So here's our galley area. Again, Leisure Travel Van gives it a kiss. They keep it simple, stupid. No pun intended. You have your LP cooktop. and lots of storage space with soft closed drawers. And of course the pantry area and your upper cabinets give you a lot more storage for your galley items. Every inch of this van is usable for space and storage.
Second closet.
Second closet, more deep drawer space. Of this part of the van is you do have an L-shaped couch, TV in the rear, nice lighting with a large window, and if you have some homework or work to do in your van, you have a built-in extra table. This table is on a rolling base. If you need more counter space, you can roll it out to your main part of your house and use this as a desk area in the main part of your house as well. If you just want to use it as an extra ottoman, it folds right down with the ottoman cushion on it, and you can sit back here with your feet up as well. This is the door for the bathroom for the 2024-2025 model year. It does lock closed, opens all the way to a beautiful bathroom. Porcelain potty. The bathroom itself. Now you have leg room in there, and it closes and latches from the inside.
I like it.
And when you're not in there, it leaves all this space. Great floor plan, especially if you may have a grandchild coming with you. Note, however, the only thing this does not have is extra seat belts.
If you're into that kind of thing.
Yeah, most RV dealerships will not install the seat belts, but you can go to a truck upfitter in order to have seat belts installed. The nice thing about the back area is this couch is right above a storage area, so it's easy for that truck upfitter to bolt in 2 separate seat belts for the back area.
Yeah. So in the storage in the back here, it looks like you have an optional table that actually hooks right here.
It does. It unstraps. It's easy to unfold and open up.
And
It's probably open.
There we go.
There you go. You have storage. This does have the LP generator. Leisure has not graduated to the alternator style generator. However, with the 2025 build and the ability to get 540 amp hours, you can order your leisure travel van with no generator.
looks like the inverter's in this storage.
It is. So this is a 2024. You have a 2,000 watt inverter, and in the step area in the doorway, your batteries are located behind this compartment here. In the 2025, leisure travel vans have reconfigured the space. They have mounted the single battery in this compartment, get an extra 240 amp hour battery as an option to give you 540 amp hours total.
Nice.
This happens to be equipped with a macerator, and this is your macerator dump hose. The nice thing about a leisure travel van macerator is not hardwired. So if you were to have a failure in your macerator, you could actually just get under where the actual pipe for dumping is, twist off your macerator, and Leisure Travel Van does offer a dump hose that is on board at all times. Your propane, they have also devised this clever little piece of PVC pipe to go underneath the van to turn the toggle switch for the low point drain, so you don't have to crawl under there. Can you see it under there? It's red.
That drains your freshwater tank?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do see. Yeah.
And so you just put this under there and twist now. It's so cool.
Very nice.
Your fresh water, hot and cold. You also have a valve for winterization, but can also be used to just suck fresh water up into your van if you're out in the, boondocking.
So you'd put that quote in your antifreeze, suck
That's
it up
correct.
into your plumbing for the winter.
Yep, you got it. Storage compartments attached to the slide, so they come out with the slide, so you aren't endlessly reaching under. And if you need to use your dump hose, Leisure Travel Van actually gives you a quite decent dump hose.
So you have an option to do either one.
That is correct.
Yep, beautiful. Well, Nancy, this is really cool. I love this unit. This is nice. Leisure Travel Van, I think, does a really nice job putting these together. And so I'll tell you, thanks for helping us walk through this. And if anybody has any interest in learning more about leisure, I would highly suggest call Nancy here at Van City in Las Vegas. And until our next video, guys, I hope all your RV trips are optimized.